Ganyang tunay ng pag-ibig. Sandal lang. Ay, alam na.
Every day,
seize the day.
We are Aja. Hello po, my name is Ash and I'm 20 years old.
Hello po, my name is Jason. I am 22 years old.
Hi guys, my name is Axon. I am 18 years old.
Hello guys, I'm Alex and I'm 15 years old.
And today we will be playing Elle's Planet's Idol Relay!
Who is Aja?
Oh. Okay.
Aja is a 4-member group under Cornerstone Entertainment, consisting different personalities and voice. Yeah!
Yeah, get into it.
Describe each Aja member in one word. For me, extravagant.
Wow, big word.
Kuya JC, joyful.
Oh.
Kuya Axel, charismatic.
Oh.
And for Kuya Ash, good.
Sing or rap a favorite line from any Aja song. Yung part ko sa Torpe. Wait a minute.
Oh. Tell you something.
Alam mo naman ako.
Dance Aja's most iconic dance step so far. 2, 3, go! Di matorpe, sana di matorpe. 1, 2, 3, again. You're the best, best, I love you. You're the best, best, I love you.
You're the
Best view.
Yeah.
I do my best to never make you sad.
Ako na. Hug the member you had the hardest time getting close to when you first met and tell us why. Ito ko si Kuya JC. Super ano niya po, introvert.
Pwede!
It was all a lie. She lied.
Makausap mo naman pero ano, hindi siya ganun ka-talkative. Unlike other members.
Oh, pick one member and take turns singing. Cause you're the best, best I love you. Higher and higher. First to crack is the loser.
Baka matalo ka agad
Ikaw muna.
Cause you're the best, best, I love you.
Siya muna.
You're the best, best, I love you.
Oh, ikaw na.
Cause you're the best! Same lang yun, guys. Eddie Wow!
I am the winner, guys.
Dance to any Aja song. The first member who guesses the song by listening to your movement alone wins. Oh! Ito yung mga napapanood natin, guys. Hulaan nyo, ma'am. Pikit!
Best I love you.
Yeah!
Diba?
Meron pa! 2, 3, go! Tama!
The boat is sinking, group yourselves into three. The odd one out should rank Aja singles from favorite to least favorite.
Ako. So my pinaka first is Best I Love You. Second is Best Day Ever. Third one is Torpe. Then Honey. Then Cupcake. Who's an OPM artist that you love and respect and tell us why? Recently, I've been listening a lot to Kuya Maki. His songs are very enjoyable. So masaya siya pakinggan and pag malungkot talaga siya pakinggan. So guys, listen to him.
Choose 2 members to dance Sarah Geronimo's Maybe This Time with you and let the other members choose the winner. Oh my god.
Have this hand. Ganun ka. Oh my gosh, you chose me.
I choose my own destiny.
Thank you.
And next is Ash.
With you.
Hindi, choose
2 members to dance maybe this time with you.
nanalo si Kuya Joke lang. Feel ko nanalo si Alex.
Can you sing another OPM's artist
Pwede
song?
iba na lang.
Ako na lang muna po.
Feel ko ako na lang.
Ako na yung boss
Feel ko
niya.
ako na lang.
I think it's Kuya Axel na.
Ay, we.
Ako ba? I'm gonna sing Dilaw by Kuya Mac.
Eh!
Nadidilaw!
Hindi yun. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba.
Kakaiba!
Nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma.
Oh, ikaw ulit!
Oh! Can you dance another V-Pop group's choreography?
Oh!
Gusto ko din yan.
Ako din, parang gusto ko din.
Lahat mo yung sasayaw. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna, ikaw muna! Bang, bang, bang! Ha! Ha! I'm living this!
Todo, karamara, kasabay-sabay na gusto ko ngayon. Tamang tempo.
Tamang tempo.
Giwang.
Horizon, I want you guys
Sumayaw,
to guess
sumunod?
it. No, I
Oh my
want
God,
you guys
okay,
to
you're
guess
ready.
it. 3, 2, 1.
Dash!
Paano?
Dash!
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa...
Okay na po.
Dili, but you did
Yeah.
it.
5, 6, 7,
Naman sa mil.
What you say, blah, blah, what you want.
CB! 1, 2, 3, go! Kanyang tunay ng pagtingin.
Oh, next.
Vision! 1, 2, 3, go! Sandal lang. Ay, alam na. Sandal. Kung may sa gustong problema, dito lang ako. What? Why did I do? Mini, money, mo, choo, choo. YML!
Okay na yun. Thank you guys. Ayan, alin.
Can you tell us about you? Best I Love You is a funk pop music. Best I Love You means best friend I love you.
My mind, oh, it amazes me sometimes.
It's
Ang deep pala.
for anything like friendship, love, friendship, sadness.
Oh my gosh.
So to my best friend, I don't have a best friend, but if I have one, I love you.
Aww. So what are we? What are we?
This all started out as a happy affair. Ayoko na.
Nag-walk out habang umiiyak.
Because best friends takes time, guys.
Okay, let's go, Alex. Can you tell us a behind-the-scenes secret from Best I Love You recording or songwriting session?
Secret?
There's a ghost.
Mommy, a girl behind you.
Secret is, meron siyang dalawang demo. Yung first, ano lang siya, boses lang ni Alex.
Yung demo, a different
different
verse,
melodies,
Different
feels.
melodies. Yeah.
different lyrics.
We would like to to perform it sometime. Pero maganda siya, yun lang, yun yung secret.
What are your favorite lyrics from Best I Love You?
Sana lang na one of these days ay you electric.
Bawat
The voices, the f***ing voices.
Wait, guys!
Were you silent or were you silenced?
I want you to see that you belong with me. Yes.
Is that my line?
Okay, line.
Yes. Maramang.
Real talk! Oh my gosh! if you started having feelings for your best friend, would you rather admit it or save the friendship?
Oh,
Risk it,
that's
'cause
so...
you don't know what the future will hold you
Oo
on to.
nga, that's what we've been trying to say all these time with the song.
Sabi mo pa nga dati, dapat lagi tayong
Handa.
magmi-miss ng chance.
Yeah, kasi minsan lang yan.
Wag
What
dapat
if
tayo
meron din pala siyang
magsisettle
feelings?
kung saan lang tayo comfortable.
So what kung masisira yung friendship? Joke lang.
What if love ka rin pala?
Lumayo kayo! Personally, it's save ang friendship.
No! What's the point of our song?
Ay!
Wow! Oo nga, no?
I know that's right.
I-save muna natin ang friendship. Kasi ako, natatakot ako umamin sa kanya.
Oh, but if I would choose, I will risk it all only to fall back to where I started.
He's got a point. He's an icon. He's a legend. And he is the moment.
Kasi kung isi-save ko ang friendship namin, I can keep him or her forever.
I don't think so.
Yun na naman.
Okay,
Pero,
to my best friend.
you need to
I love
admit
you.
it now and tell it to your
Best
crush
friend.
now.
Yes.
Because there's no time now.
This opportunity, maybe for you.
And I think the time is now.
Coming from you.
The time is
Ticking.
The time is ticking. You need to admit it now because you missed the opportunity.
Pero yung answer mo, save the friendship.
Ako ulit.
Na-pause.
Give a message to your honeys. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much!
Thank you, honeys, for always there. You always give us motivation, inspiration, and determination to keep our doings great and powerful and to
You give the best out of us.
of us.
Eto, wait.
To starve more. Like, we need to strive! Ito I just wanna say, baby, you're so lovely. To give our best every day. Like, best day ever. Thank you so much for everything, honeys.
Can you give a promise to your honeys? My promise to all of our supporters and our honeys, we will make sure to always give you guys the best performances and make our best to create more fun music and more memories to you guys. And we will have the best memories together and have the best time. Thank you.
Okay.
Real Talk Part 2.
Why should people start listening to Aja? So feel ko, people should start listening to us is because we have a diverse sound. Hindi pa siya nalalabas pero hintayin nyo guys. We're gonna be releasing more musics in the future.
Yes.
And
Diverse.
it's not gonna be the typical Aja. Malay nyo next time ganun na
Ano
siya.
na kami?
Uy!
Horror na kami.
Horror na kami next time.
Can you say best I love you in 5?
Ay!
Different way.
Ano yun?
Fierce!
Best I love you.
Okay, and what do you want me to do about that?
Ano?
1, 2, 3. Mad.
Best I love you!
Malakas yun. Na-vertigo ako. Ikaw din? Ako din. Ano ko?
Okay, next one.
Cute.
Best I love you.
What was that?
Ayaw mo ng sexy.
Sexy.
Sexy!
Best.
Oh, I had almost gagged just then.
Best I love you.
Ba't ka nag-thirst ka na?
Sexy nga!
Ikaw nga! Go! Fierce!
Best I love you.
Fierce! Akala ko fierce is...
Mad!
Best I love you!
How many people were scared? Me too.
Wow!
Alam mo, ito na nga kayo. Mga basher kayo eh.
Cute!
Best I love you.
Once again, we are Aja and we just played Else Planets I Don't Really!
Remember that Else Planet is your planet as well.
So spread the love and God bless!
Woo!